In this video, I want to have a look at how we use Venn diagrams to solve probability problems. So instead of listing every single element in each category, often we'll just write the number of items that belong in that category. So for example, if we have a class of 30 students and we asked them if they owned a cat or a dog, and the answers are in this Venn diagram. So we have 9 people that own only a cat. We have 14 people that own only a dog. We have 5 people that own both a cat and a dog. And we have 2 people who don't have either. So it's really important to read this. If we were asked how many students own a dog, we do have these 14 people that just own a dog, but we also have these 5 people who own a dog and a cat. So the total number of people that own a dog is all of the numbers in that circle added together, which would give us a total of 19. The next one says how many students only own a cat. So this one's a little bit different. We don't want to know if they own a cat and a dog. We want to know if they only own a cat. So that's just going to be this number here, so that 9. Our next one says how many students owned a cat and a dog. So that's in our overlap. That would be our 5. And how many students owned a cat or a dog. So the and or the or is really important. So cat and dog means overlap. But cat or a dog means we either want a cat or a dog or both. So we're going to add up those 3 numbers. So 14 plus 5 was 19. Add the 9 on would give us 28. But so far we haven't answered any probability questions, we're just answering questions about our Venn diagram. So we're now going to answer these ones about the probability. So we're saying if a student is chosen at random, what is the probability that they do not own a pet? So we're going to look at how many people do not own pets altogether, and we're going to look at the total number of students in that class, which was 30. So the probability of no pet would be equal to 2 out of a total of 30. And remember, we always simplify our fractions if we can, so we would simplify that to 1 over 15. Our second question asks us, what is the probability that a student owns a dog and does not have a cat? So that would be dog but not cat, so just that 14. So the probability of dog only would be 14 out of 30. Which would simplify down to 7 out of 15. And our last question asks us what the probability is that they own both a cat and a dog. So that's our overlap. So the probability of cat and dog would be that 5 over 30. And that would simplify down to 1 over 6. So that's having a look at how we can use Venn diagrams to solve probability problems.